Hello everyone. I thought that I was just going to give a little bit of an insight and a quick overview of the calculator that we have received. So if you probably have noticed that if we go up and we click on apps in our back office, we now have an extra tab here that says calculator. Now if we go to the calculator, we can now see approximate how many Aperterm coins we will get per package and value that would also yield to us through our mining robots. Now this is all based on the current value of the coin, so of course these values are bound to change. For example, if you have one lunar package, your mining bot as of for now will give you approximate 32 coins, Aperterm coins, over the period of 1 year, which at this moment would be worth 53.71 USDT. Now if you have more packages, of course, maybe you have 5 of them, that would yield you 160 tokens, that would then be worth $268 as of the current value. Of course, this will change also how many coins that you get depending on how many members and users that actually have a mining bot. So the more people that buys the lunar mining bots, the less coins you're gonna get over time because they're shared between all the miners, right? So this is not a fact, but it's all based on the current value. Now let's say that we will have a look at the galactic, for example. So if you have a galactic mining robot right now, that would mean that you will get 116,000 tokens in 1 year, and that would actually give you a value of 194,115 USDT. Despite the value being low, and despite that we're already thousands of users in this network, if you look at some of these packages, they are totally worth it, and it's totally gonna change our lives. But just to clarify, this is the amount of tokens that you will receive for 1 year. This is the value of the tokens based on the current value of the coin right now that you would receive from these tokens. I hope this helped you understand the mining calculator a little bit better, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a lovely day.